Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Man and today my mum is going to be making Turkish delight. I hope you enjoy the video. First we're gonna add 500 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/3 cup of condensed milk, now we're just stirring it. Now my mum is gonna sieve out 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mixing that all up. Cook it on low flame and continue mixing it. Now my mum is going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. The mixture's all thick. Now she's got some coconut and she's going to spread that out on the tray. Now she's going to pour the mixture on top. Now she's going to spread it out. Now she's just adding some crushed up pistachios. So done. Now my mum's just put that in the fridge. Now my mum's adding 1 cup of double cream, 1 tablespoon of icing sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now she's going to mix it. Now she's took the tray out of the fridge and she's just going to spread the cream out on top. It's all done. Now my mum's going to cut some rectangles. Now my mum's going to roll them out. You can use any flat thing to roll them out. They're all nearly done. These look so yummy, mashallah. Can't wait to try them for iftar. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the post notification bell on. Allah Hafiz.